The OPPO Find X made waves earlier this year. You may have seen some of their Hollywood quality ads. They're really pushing this futuristic theme. And that's because OPPO are already delivering the mobile design of the future. Well, here it is. It's a little late to New Zealand, but that's because we're waiting for the best version. So if you haven't seen it, this phone is pretty special. A true full screen display. No forehead, no chin. This is actually quite hard to achieve, because until we can embed sensors under the display itself, we still need a place to put the front-facing camera, the ambient light sensor, and the IR sensor for face unlock, which is why we're currently living in the age of the notch. The Find X does something different. The sensors actually pop out from behind the display when you need them, then discreetly hide back away when you don't. It's pretty slick. And the best thing about it is it's really fast. It can pop the camera out, scan your face, unlock the phone, and hide back away in about the same time it takes the iPhone X to just scan you. And the face unlock works well. It uses infrared, so it works in the dark, and is one of the better implementations of facial recognition. You can also add sounds to the sliding mechanism if you're feeling extra. Unfortunately, you can't customize these yet, so you might need to keep waiting before you can add that lightsaber effect. But let's just look at the design for a bit. Full glass and metal with two-tone colors. Comes in Glacier blue or Bordeaux red, which looks like a dark purple. It looks super modern and clean, thanks to having no camera lenses on the back, which are now located on that mechanical array, along with the flash. The camera takes good photos, no complaints. The front-facing camera is 25 megapixels for that selfie generation, and still has pretty heavy skin smoothing. But more than just looking like something from the future, I guess this mechanical camera array also works for some extra security. If any rogue apps were trying to access your camera without your permission, your phone would make it pretty obvious. It comes with a case in the box, and the cases are interesting. Obviously it can't cover the top of the phone, so it just kind of stops on its way up there. I don't really like it, but hey, free case. So what doesn't this phone have? Well, no headphone jack. It does come with USB-C earphones in the box, but a proper 3.5mm would have been nice. There's also no wireless charging, but OPPO kinda made up for that. You see, in the box you get this Super VOOC charger. It's a 50-watt charger. It can charge your phone to full in about 30 minutes, which is absolutely nuts. So the hardware's at the top of the game, and amalgamates to an experience of holding a single slab of glass that reacts to your touch. I really haven't felt a handset like it. And to go off the hardware, we also get really nice software. This phone runs a New Zealand specific build of OPPO's ColorOS 5.1, which is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo. And unlike early reviews of the Chinese software, we can confirm you can 100% change the launcher if you need some Nova in your life. But I do like ColorOS. It has raise to wake, always on display, and a customizable suite of full screen gestures. The only thing that was a little annoying is the notifications. If you're used to other Android devices where you can just swipe to dismiss, on ColorOS they require a swipe and a tap, and that extra step per notification gets tedious quite quickly. So basically I just turned off notifications for nearly everything that wasn't essential. So overall, yes, this phone is something special. Borderless phones seem to be what the market is striving for. The display notch is just a stepping stone. OPPO have given us a taste of the future today. Maybe it won't be exactly like this, but it's great to see some real innovation pushing everyone else forward. This phone has great specs, which place it alongside the best the Android market has to offer. Has long battery life, good cameras, and is overall a very impressive device. I'd recommend popping into PB and having a play on one of the display units in there, so you can see for yourself how this feels. You can also check it out online at pbtech.co.nz. I'm Eli from PB Tech, and I'll catch you next time.